Welcome back. It's your girl, Dr. Samira, and I am back with another video. So in this video, guys, I'm going to go over ActTrader, some of the things that they are able to provide, and basically give you an overview of ActTrader. As you already know, or if you do not, simply go check out my latest video on what is going on and why did I bring up ActTrader. But if you are not new here and you've already watched that video, go ahead and continue watching. So currently, Hankotrade has now transferred over to ActTrader, which is a platform. And as you can see here, Hankotrade is providing users who are unable to use MT4 and T5 to use Hankotrade onto another platform known as ActTrader. Just to kind of look at some of the things that they have provided for you. You have a fully customizable interface as well as interactive risk management, one-click trading, wealth of graphs and charts. So you're still able to trade indices as well as gold if that is something that you are wanting to trade, as well as they also have visual strategy builders and so much more. There's roughly about 48 default indicators as well as 18 analytical objects. You're still able, which is a good thing right here, guys, you're still able to do pending order types. Okay, so that is a plus for me because as y'all already know, I love trading using pending orders because I'm not the usual trader that is looking at the market 24/7 because I have other things to do during the day. But that was one of the key things that I really like about ActTrader. And there are many ways that you can download ActTrader. Simply, you can use your Windows laptop, you can use your Android on your phone, iOS as well, iPad, as well as the Web Trader Live. If you simply do not want to download it on your desktop, you can just simply do it that way. And then also they have the Web Trader demo as well. And then also a good sign is that this platform itself has been around for 20 plus years. And they mentioned that it's been excellent for the most part. So knowing that this platform itself has this amount of experience and years put in, that literally calms my heart and it makes me excited and just relieved that I can still use Hankotrade. So as I mentioned, this will be my first time basically looking into ActTrader. I'm not going to download ActTrader onto my MacBook at this moment. Currently, I am on my MacBook right now, but I am going to wait until it is available on the iPhone devices because typically I trade mostly on my phone. And I really want to give you guys a good overall review of my thoughts or my opinion of the actual platform on the phone device. But I just wanted to give you guys kind of an idea of what Hankotrade is doing. Also, another thing that Hankotrade is doing is that they're doing an in-house platform. That is something that I am going to show you all. They're going to be sending out more information on how to navigate this in-house platform. But let's go ahead and take a look into this in-house platform and kind of see if this is something that will be beneficial for Hankotrade as well. So not only has Hankotrade provided one platform to use to trade or to continue trading, but they're also implementing an in-house platform. Comment down below you guys' thoughts, opinions. What do you guys think about an in-house platform? All right, so right here, guys, this is the in-house platform for Hankotrade. Hankotrade has created an in-house platform, and this is what it looks like using it on the web. Okay, so this is on the web. This is not on the phone. And so far, what we have going on here is we still have our Forex, we have our indices, and then also we have our commodities, okay? And that's going to be dealing with your gold and things in that nature. So let's just check it out. Let's just see how we feel about this. This is the in-house. It looks like over here to your right, we have our Forex pair, which is EUR USD. We have it at a sale. We have it at a buy. We have a market execution. We have a buy stop here. And then we have a buy limit to get a sell stop. Okay, so it looks like once I tap the advanced options, if you are creating a stop loss, here's the stop loss. We have a trailing stop loss, and then we also have a take profit. I'm not sure what this maximum 20 characters is. So that's something that I'm curious about. What do you need? A comment section here. Let's see here. We have the watch list. We have the news. Looks like we have a calendar going on. So that's also neat to know too, because as you guys already know, sometimes that could be a reason why you're not able to trade, because there may be a holiday going on the other side of the world. So that's good to have as well. And then we have alerts. All right. So y'all know I like indices. So let's just kind of see what EUR is looking like. I haven't seen EUR, or I haven't seen US 30 in quite some time. So let's see how, oh, and they also tell you about the spread, which I like. So this chart is provided by TradingView. So the only thing about that, it looks like for the most part, we have all of our, yeah, so this, everything, I like this. I truly like this a lot. It provides the trend line. It provides your horizontal line. As long as I'm able to have my indicators, I'm good. It literally is TradingView, but within Hankotrade platform. Oh, okay. So this is neat. So it goes over your net profit. It goes over basically a summary of your whole entire account. So that's your portfolio. Let's see, view modes. Okay, so it looks like we can also select different modes of views that better suits you. So this is neat as well. So it looks like we're probably on the basic chart view. I'm good with that because I don't trade any other pairs besides US 30, as you guys already know. But if you are someone who trades multiple different types of pairs, this multi-chart view would be nice for you to have as well. So, okay, so we also have settings. It looks like we also have a server, local time, select history range. If you wanted to kind of go back onto your positions. Then we have default, lot size, and then we also have a select show order. Okay, so we want it in lot. We have account history down here, and then we also have transaction history. So for the most part, I would say that this in-house platform, for the most part, is pretty good. Now, the real question is, how are the trades going to be? You know, are they going to be consistent as they were before when they were on MT4, or is it going to be lagging? Those are the type of questions that I am curious about. But I do know for a fact that they will be processing this in-platform or this in-house platform for all of the traders who are still trading with Hankotrade, still using Hankotrade. And I believe that just by looking and kind of going through, for the most part, it has everything that I typically like. Now, the next question would be, will this platform be provided on your phone? Can I use this on my phone as well, or my iPad? So those are the questions that I am curious to be answered for. And so overall, all we can do, guys, is continue to wait on emails, just wait for updates. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, as I stated to you guys before, that I'm going to continue to update you all. And we are going to make sure that we make the best decisions for each of ourselves, okay? Because I can't make your decision, okay? We're two different people again. But I just wanted to show you guys what I have learned thus far, what is in the making of. Y'all comment down below What do y'all think so far? Do you like the ActTrader for the ones who have tried out ActTrader on their phones, their Androids, or their desktops? Or do you think this in-house platform is a neat idea? Do you like it thus far? What are your questions that you might consider asking in improving the in-house platform? So comment that down below, as you guys are already doing. Thank you guys so much for your support, as well as do not panic. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it's what? It is free, and I'll see you guys in the next update.